Guys, today's project is going to involve refurbishing wheels. I bought some wheels for my BMW. The ones that came on the car stock was silver, and the car looked like every other BMW that's in all of Atlanta, Georgia. So I just wanted to do something that's a little different. First off, I wanted the look to be a little more aggressive than what I had. And then I also wanted to have a different color so at least you can differentiate the car when you see it, driving by on the street. So one of the things that I did was took the wheels that I bought to RTP Customs in Alpharetta, Georgia, and had them powder coated in this beautiful bronze color. I'm still trying to figure out the name of the code, but here's the reveal. So I'm sure it doesn't come across really nice in pictures, but in person, if you get up close, you can see that the paint has a lot of flakes in it. It has this really nice coffee brown color to it. These are M-style wheels, by the way. It came off of an M Sport 650i BMW. And I had them painted in this really nice chocolate brown color. And then threw on some Michelin's AS3